Hi friends, my name is Francesca. I am a meditation teacher from youarelightmeditation.com. So today I would like to talk about some suggestions in how to have a successful meditation and how to stick to it. So if you decide that you want to commit to a meditation practice, maybe daily or maybe 2-3 times a week, I would suggest that you set that up as a true appointment on your phone or on your calendar, or a date, and it would be like a date with your own higher self. Because if you think about it, if we have an appointment, we need to be there on time, into a specific date and time, and if we don't, we're just skipping the appointment. So when you decided to meditate, maybe you want to think that you're going to set up a specific time for a specific day and commit to it if you can, so that you know that when it's time, you will have that set up and you will not maybe find excuses and say maybe I'll do it later, or maybe I'll do it another date, and then probably you will miss your meditation practice. So my first tip would be really to consider your meditation time as a real appointment or a real date that you have with your own true, beautiful, higher self. And if you can commit to a daily meditation and you feel like that would be the best thing for you, I would highly suggest that you do that daily if possible, depending on your schedule and your lifestyle. So that's my first tip, I would say. The second one would be to prepare, if you can, a small little area which is dedicated only to your meditation practice. So I don't know specifically where you live and if you have the possibility, but even if it's just a little room that you have or a little area in your house where you can dedicate that area only to your meditation, that would be wonderful. And you can make it very simple, and maybe with some flowers and candles, or with some maybe you can build up a little altar with some spiritual images if you worship them, and then just use a little spot just for meditating. And number 3 of my tips would be that try to meditate in a quiet area. So wherever you decide to do your meditation, try to have a spot which is mainly quiet, so that you can avoid distractions and noises around you. Because when we meditate, the first thing that we want to try to accomplish is quiet, so that we can concentrate in our mantra or breathing technique or visualization or affirmation. And obviously if there's a lot of noise around us, it's going to be a little bit more tricky and maybe a little bit hard to concentrate. So if you can, try to set up a space that is clean, quiet, simple, and maybe beautiful, okay, depending on what you like, which colors you like. But I think the meditation space should be clean, quiet, beautiful, and preparing you to become quiet and enjoy the stillness of your meditation time. Another tip I would offer as suggestion for your meditation is that especially when the weather is nice, or you live in a climate that is pretty warm and nice, maybe enjoy your meditation out in nature if you can. I think nature offers such beautiful qualities and sounds and sceneries. So to be able to sit quietly, maybe at the beach on the shore, or maybe if you have like a forest around you, or like a nice quiet park, that I think it would be very, very nice to be able to also surround yourself with beautiful scenery while you meditate, and maybe have the birds chirping around, and maybe the ocean waves if you live close to the ocean. So enjoy your meditation also in nature if you don't feel like meditating in your home or in other closed areas. My other tip I would suggest for your meditation is also, especially if you are a beginner meditating, to avoid being judgmental with yourself. If you find yourself with your mind wandering around or distracting a lot with a lot of thoughts while you meditate, don't be judgmental, don't be harsh on yourself. It is very, very, very common and very normal that the mind wants to wander around and jump around like a little monkey, but this is why we also are meditating, to train the mind to become more quiet and more peaceful. So don't get upset with yourself if your meditation sometimes is not as peaceful and quiet and fulfilling as you would prefer. So that's it for now. So those are my few tips that I gave you, especially if you're a beginner in meditation. Approach your meditation with love and joy, and know that if you stick to it and you commit to it, you will feel and try, little by little, you feel your results, and you might feel more peaceful, more calm, more joyful. So I really hope that if you commit to your meditation, it's going to bring you a lot of positive experiences and positive energy to increase your inner peace, your inner joy, and share that with everybody around you. Love and blessings to you all. And if you want to learn more about meditation, you can click the link below and visit my website, youarelightmeditation.com. Groups and private meditations classes are available if you feel like. So give me a thumb up if you like this video, and comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.